Today, I will show how to buy shares of LB Pharmaceuticals Inc. and what to check before you place an order. LB Pharmaceuticals is a biotech company working on treatments for metabolic and liver conditions, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LBRX. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an ID document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LBRX to find LB Pharmaceuticals Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing so you reach the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the company profile and the price chart to confirm it is LB Pharmaceuticals Inc. Verify the ticker LBRX and that the sector aligns with biotechnology before proceeding. Click the buy button, enter the amount or number of shares you want, then carefully review the order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next open, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms. After the purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. There is a link to eToro in the description if you want to explore the platform.